Welcome back to the Millionaire Roadmap. If you watched part 1, you now have the foundation skills that can generate $100,000 to $200,000 annually with AI. But what I'm about to share will separate you from 99% of people learning AI and put you in the top 1% of earners. These aren't just advanced versions of basic skills, these are elite capabilities creating the biggest wealth in 2025. We're talking about skills that command $300,000 to $500,000 plus annually, positioning you as an irreplaceable strategic partner rather than just another service provider. Here's the critical part. These opportunities are still relatively unknown. While everyone else fights over basic automation work, people mastering these advanced skills are literally writing their own paychecks. There's a massive difference between AI skills that make you money and AI skills that make you wealthy. The foundational skills from Part 1 solve immediate problems and generate project-based income. The advanced skills I'm revealing solve strategic problems and generate wealth-building income. Companies understanding this difference are already paying premium rates. Amazon runs entirely on AI data analysis. Major corporations are replacing entire departments with AI agents. Fortune 500 companies are paying consultants $500,000 or plus to develop AI strategies. The people who can deliver these capabilities? They're becoming millionaires. Today I'm revealing 5 AI skills that create true wealth. Skills so powerful that mastering just one could transform your entire career trajectory. Skill None 1. AI-assisted software development, $100,000 to $300,000 annually. For decades, if you had a software idea, an expense tracker, client portal, or inventory system, you had 2 expensive options: learn to code yourself, taking years, or hire developers costing $15,000 to $50,000. This barrier kept most business ideas from ever being built. The gap between having an idea and creating a solution was too wide for most entrepreneurs to cross. AI has completely eliminated this barrier. With tools like Cursor, Replit, and Bolt, you can now build functional software by simply describing what you want in detailed prompts. This isn't just about building software, it's about becoming someone who creates custom solutions for specific business problems. Remember the niche specialization strategy from Part 1? Now you can actually build the tools those businesses need. A local contractor wants a job estimation tool accounting for their unique pricing structure, material costs, labor rates, and profit margins. Previously, this required hiring developers for $25,000 to $40,000. Now you can build it yourself and charge $12,000 to $18,000 for a custom solution nobody else can provide. Here's what's changed. Building software used to be 80% technical coding and 20% understanding the problem. Now it's 80% understanding the business problem and 20% technical implementation. The AI handles complex coding. You focus on understanding what businesses actually need. The no-code to pro-code pipeline. Learn through AI. Use AI to teach you. Tell ChatGPT, create a detailed course on building web applications using Cursor and Replit. Act as an expert programmer and give me step-by-step instructions. Start with templates. Begin with simple applications using AI-generated templates, customer management systems, inventory trackers, appointment schedulers. Custom solutions. Build custom solutions for specific business problems you've identified through niche research. Advanced integration. Integrate your applications with existing business systems, APIs, and databases for enterprise-level solutions. The strategic business model. Don't build software, then look for customers. Find businesses with specific problems, understand their workflows deeply, then build solutions addressing their exact needs. Become the go-to developer for specific industries. Create software requiring ongoing maintenance, transforming one-time projects into recurring revenue streams. Case study. Jason worked with a consulting firm spending hours manually tracking project progress across multiple clients. Using AI-assisted development, Jason built a custom project management system in 3 weeks that automatically tracks time, generates branded client reports, integrates with their billing system, and provides real-time profitability analysis. Price, $25,000. Ongoing revenue, $3,000 monthly. Result, Jason was referred to 6 other consulting firms. Skill number 2, AI data analysis, $150,000 to $400,000 annually. Most businesses sit on gold mines of data with absolutely no idea. They're collecting customer information, tracking sales patterns, monitoring website behavior, generating thousands of data points daily, but only scratching the surface of what this information can tell them. This creates incredible opportunity. While traditional data analysis shows what already happened, AI data analysis predicts what's going to happen next and tells you exactly what to do about it. Think about Amazon. Every decision, every product recommendation, every pricing adjustment is data-backed with AI. They don't guess what customers want. They know, because their AI systems analyze millions of data points simultaneously and identify patterns humans could never detect. Every business needs this capability, but most don't know it exists. Most businesses have messy, disconnected data scattered across multiple systems. Spreadsheets everywhere, disconnected databases, customer information in their CRM, sales data in their POS system, website analytics in Google Analytics. This isn't just inconvenience, it's costing them massive amounts of money in missed opportunities and poor decisions. When you can clean up their data, connect their systems, and extract actionable insights, you become incredibly valuable. You don't need a computer science degree. You need to learn SQL, structured query language. Think of SQL like Google search, but for business data. AI can now write SQL queries for you. You describe what you want to know in plain English, and AI translates it into technical commands. The Professional Data Analysis Framework. Phase 1. Data Audit and Cleanup. Get paid $10,000, $25,000 per project to create clean, organized data warehouses. Phase 2. Data Integration and Enrichment. Connect disconnected systems and enhance basic data with additional information. Phase 3. Predictive Analytics and Insights. Use AI to identify hidden profit opportunities, predict customer behavior, and optimize pricing strategies. Case study. An e-commerce company was spending $50,000 monthly on Facebook ads with mediocre results. Using AI data analysis, Matt discovered customers who bought within 3 days of first visiting had 340% higher lifetime value than customers who took longer. Matt restructured their entire funnel for immediate conversions, changed ad creative to emphasize urgency, modified landing pages for faster decisions, implemented time-sensitive offers, and optimized targeting for high-intent buyers. Result: same ad spend, 280% increase in profitable customers, additional $420,000 annual revenue. They paid Matt $35,000 for analysis and now pay $8,000 monthly for ongoing optimization. Skill number 3, Enterprise AI Automation, $200,000 to $500,000 annually. Everything we covered about automation in Part 1 was just the beginning. Enterprise AI automation is about systematically transforming how entire businesses operate. We're not talking about connecting a few apps. We're talking about rebuilding business processes from the ground up using AI. This is where the biggest money lives, because you're not just saving businesses time. You're fundamentally improving how they compete in their markets. Small business automation might save $50,000 annually. Enterprise automation saves millions. You're working with companies that have hundreds of employees, complex workflows, and massive inefficiencies that add up to enormous costs. The strategic approach. Map out how the entire business operates before automating anything. Calculate the exact financial impact of each automation opportunity. Create systematic rollout plans that deliver quick wins while building toward comprehensive transformation. High-value automation categories. Customer service systems. Handle routine inquiries, route complex issues to specialists, maintain detailed interaction histories. Sales operations. Automatically qualify leads, nurture prospects, schedule appointments, follow up on proposals. Operational workflows. Automate inventory management, order processing, vendor communications, quality control. Human resources. Handle employee onboarding, time tracking, expense reporting, performance reviews. Case study. A mid-size manufacturing company, 400 employees, was drowning in manual processes. Their order-to-delivery workflow involved 15 manual steps across 4 departments, with 8-day processing time and frequent errors. Jack implemented enterprise AI automation that automatically processes orders, validates inventory, routes orders by complexity, coordinates production scheduling, manages vendor communications, tracks progress, and handles quality control documentation. Result: processing time reduced from 8 to 2 days, 85% error reduction, 40% increase in customer satisfaction, $1.2 million annual savings. Project fee, $150,000 over 6 months. Ongoing maintenance, $15,000 or monthly. Client ROI, 800% in first year. Skill number 4, AI agent development, $250,000 to $600,000 annually. This is the highest paid AI skill in 2025. While everyone else plays with chatbots, people mastering AI agent development are literally replacing entire departments and collecting massive recurring fees. Here's the shift creating millionaires. Instead of thinking about AI as a tool you use, think about AI as employees you create. Employees that work 24/7, never complain, never take vacation, and do the job exactly the same way every time. Companies spend hundreds of thousands annually on tasks AI agents can handle better, faster, and cheaper. Sales qualification, customer support, data entry, appointment scheduling. Entire job functions can be replaced with properly built AI agents. The agent development framework. Specialized function. Every agent needs a specialized function. Sales qualification can replace 1 to 3 full-time employees while working 24/7. Knowledge training. Train the agent using business's existing knowledge. Sales scripts, FAQs, product information, company policies. Complex logic. Build sophisticated logic handling complex scenarios, escalation procedures, and human involvement triggers. System integration. Connect the agent to all relevant business systems, CRM, email platforms, scheduling software, payment systems. Performance monitoring. Build systems that monitor performance and continuously improve the agent through feedback loops. Advanced agent categories. Sales agents. Handle lead qualification, appointment scheduling, follow-up sequences, basic objection handling. Customer success. Agents. Manage onboarding, answer support questions, identify upsell opportunities. Operations agents. Process orders, manage inventory, coordinate with vendors, track shipments. Marketing agents. Create and optimize ad campaigns, analyze performance data, adjust targeting. Here's why this skill commands the highest rates. You're not just delivering a project, you're replacing entire salary expenses while improving performance. A business spending $180,000 annually on 3 sales qualification specialists will happily pay you $75,000 to build an agent that works better than all 3 combined. This isn't one-time project work. It's recurring revenue. Businesses pay monthly fees for agent maintenance, updates, monitoring, and optimization. One well-built agent can generate $5,000 to $15,000 monthly recurring income. Case study. A software company was spending $240,000 annually on customer success managers handling routine onboarding and support tasks. The process was inconsistent, expensive, and didn't scale. Jack built an AI agent system that guides new customers through onboarding automatically, answers 85% of support questions without human intervention, identifies at-risk customers and triggers intervention, recognizes upsell opportunities, and maintains detailed interaction histories. Result: 70% reduction in support costs, 45% improvement in customer satisfaction, 30% increase in upsell conversions, 24/7 availability. Project fee, $125,000 over 8 months. Monthly recurring revenue, $12,000. Client savings, $168,000 annually. Additional revenue generated, $300,000 plus annually. Skill number 5, AI business strategy consulting, $300,000 to $1 million annually. This is the pinnacle of AI wealth creation. At this level, you're not just implementing AI tools. You're helping businesses develop comprehensive AI strategies that transform their competitive position in the market. Fortune 500 companies are paying consultants $500,000 to $2 million plus hours for AI strategy projects because they understand AI isn't just about efficiency, it's about survival in the coming decade. Most people think about AI tactically. How can we use AI to do this task better? Strategic AI consultants think systematically. How can AI fundamentally improve how this business competes and grows? You're not just solving current problems. You're helping businesses anticipate future opportunities and threats, then positioning them to capitalize on AI-driven market changes. The executive-level framework. Industry analysis. Deep research into how AI is transforming specific industries, competitive advantages emerging, business models being disrupted. Competitive intelligence. Analyze how competitors use AI and identify strategic gaps. Organizational assessment. Evaluate current capabilities, data infrastructure, technology stack, and organizational readiness. Strategic planning. Create comprehensive plans aligning AI initiatives with business objectives. Implementation guidance. Guide execution of AI strategies, ensuring expected results. High-value consulting categories. Digital transformation strategy. Help traditional businesses understand how AI will reshape their industries. AI native business development. Work with entrepreneurs to build new businesses designed around AI capabilities. Investment due diligence. Evaluate AI capabilities and strategic value of acquisition targets. Innovation strategy. Help businesses identify new products, services, or business models enabled by AI. Risk management. Develop strategies for managing AI-related risks and regulatory compliance. Case study. A regional healthcare network was losing market share to larger competitors with better technology capabilities. A strategic initiative was developed which included AI-powered patient scheduling, predictive analytics for patient outcomes, automated administrative processes, AI-enhanced diagnostic support, and strategic partnerships with AI vendors. The 18-month transformation resulted in 35% improvement in operational efficiency, $2.8 million annual cost savings, 28% increase in patient satisfaction, competitive advantage that stopped market share loss, and foundation for expansion into new markets. Consulting fee, $450,000 over 18 months. Ongoing strategic advisor retainer, $25,000 monthly. Client value created, $15+ million over 3 years. Strategic AI consulting generates wealth through multiple channels. High-value projects commanding $200,000 to $1 million plus fees. Ongoing advisory retainers generating $15,000 to $50,000 plus monthly. Equity opportunities in businesses you help transform, and additional revenue through speaking and training. Don't master all 10 skills simultaneously discussed in these videos. Pick one fitting your interests, go deep, build case studies, then expand. Highest earners are specialists becoming indispensable, then strategically expanding. You can become proficient enough to generate income within 30-60 days, but start applying immediately. Real education happens by solving actual business problems. Most businesses are still figuring this out. This window is closing fast. Learn now while the majority catches up for enormous advantage. You're at a critical decision point. The tools exist. Opportunities are proven. The roadmap is clear. Will you take action or wait until everyone else figures it out? The businesses dominating 2025 are being built now by people leveraging AI strategically. The wealth defining the next decade is being created now by people mastering these uncommon skills. You have the knowledge and roadmap. Now take action and make the wealth moves that turn AI skills into generational wealth. Your millionaire roadmap starts now.